I think I just found one of the most magical features in Canva. So let's create a design with Gemini. So I will just ask Gemini to create a social media design for, yeah, I have to choose picture first. So let me just do this. Create a social media design for a post or for topic about how Notion helps businesses, and include icons, text, and colors in, a nice way. I don't know, this is just random. So let's send this one here. The idea is I need to show you that I'm just getting a design from AI, and then we will do magic with it in Canva. So it's going to take a few seconds. Okay, perfect. So this is a design that I got from Gemini. Now, I don't care. I will just download it. Now it's downloaded to my computer. This is the design. Now, let's be honest. I really want to make some modifications on the text, on the colors, on the elements, or maybe on the structure. So instead of me, I don't want to keep going back and forth asking the AI. I just want to take control over this picture and make it editable. So this is exactly what Canva has done. It's added magic layers. If you click in here, you will see that this one, it turns literally any AI generated picture into a multi-layer image that you can actually or design that you can actually modify. So I'm just going to pull out the image I just made with Gemini. Once it's uploaded, we will see what's going to happen in here. Okay, so this is the design. Now your design is ready to edit. Open editor. Now let's go to the editor. Okay, perfect. Now let's wait. This is, it's scanning. It's scanning the full picture, and it will turn it into a fully modifiable design. I think, or I hope so. I haven't tried with something similar to this one, but I tried with another one. So yeah. Okay, so once it finishes scanning, I suppose I will be able to modify the text. Or okay, perfect. So now what happened is we have the layers. The second one, okay, there is a problem with the orange and red one. I'm not sure why, but usually, okay, so we can just, actually it's very easy to fix now. I can just duplicate, make this one here. I really don't need hand holding from AI now. And then we put this here, here. Okay, so yeah, this is the idea. You have the design, now it's modifiable. Just because this one has so many elements, you still have to do the work of adding these. But yeah, so even the colors, imagine I didn't like these colors at all. So if I wanted to make them just black, see, I turned them into black because I don't want these colors. So I would turn this one into black too. I think this is green, not black, maybe. Okay, see, this is the idea here. I can change the text. I have a design, but I can change the other elements. Even this one here, we can fix it, by the way. So you can go really as deep as you want with this thing, but this is just a quick demonstration. I can also show you a very quick demonstration with this one here, because this one here is very simple. So, for instance, this one has been made by Claude AI for me. Now it's gonna scan it, and since this one does not have so many parts, it would be so much easier to edit. So yeah, I think this is a very good feature. If you see, now I can vote and I can even change this. It was just a picture before. So yeah, I think this is very good. You can use it on if the design does not have so many moving parts, then it would be really good.